Hello, welcome back to the channel. While most code assistant gives you a generic advice, this one gives a structured review with severity, line hints, and even a refactored version. In this episode, we will be building an AI code reviewer with one page and component and with one route. Let's review this given code. So we got 3 critical errors inside this, and that's the review done by the AI. Along with that, it also gives us a refactored version. You can see score, issues, group by severity, and refactored code ready to copy. So now let's go and build this flow. To add a new card on our AI front-end playground, let's just introduce one more demo. We add the new React icon, we add the new accent. I'll just simply copy paste the existing route that I've created with the title, description, and the other information. We'll also provide the styling to the new accent type that we have added. So now we have the new card added to it. So let's go and create the new page as the page is not existing yet. So this page stays very clean. We are going to just wrap the DemoShell and we are going to mount the code reviewer, a new component that we are going to create next. Let's create a new component. The name is CodeReviewer. Inside this component, I am going to paste the existing code that I have. You can also get that from the link in the description. So as you can see, now we have an error, which is we are still missing the types that needed to be defined. So let's go ahead and create the new file for the types. In the types, we have multiple things over here. We have the issue schema, we have the resolve schema, and we also have the types defined with that. So using that, this problem should be resolved in the component now. Let's go ahead and talk about the component in detail. We have defined a sample code that you will see default pop up if you can see on the right hand side. That's been default always coming when you run this. Next we have the handle review. So this review function is the call to the route or the API that we're going to make. Handle copy is just an option that we have to copy the refactored code. If you see inside the main component, so we have a couple of things. We have left hand side, which is the editable code. We have the middle side, which is the structured review with the severity styles, and we have the right side, which is for the refactored code with the copy button. Let's create the route. This route is going to be the core of this episode. We import the generateObject, OpenAI, and the ReviewSchema. In post, we read code from the request JSON and guard for empty input with a 400 response. Then we call the generateObject with a model, schema, and a prompt. Because we use generateObject, output is structured and predictable, perfect for rendering, safer than free from parsing. Finally, we return JSON, and in catch we return 500 with an error message. So this route gives us the reliable machine-shaped review data that the UI can trust. If you can see, now we made a call to the API, we get the list of critical issues or the warning issues. Initially it was critical issues, then we refactored the code, we try to review it again. So we're going to keep doing that until we'll get the perfect code. This is how AI will help us to refactor our code and get the perfect review for it. That's the full of AI code reviewer. Next in the series, we will move to a next AI front-end pattern and keep building production style primitives. You paste a URL, it ingests the page on the server side, embed the chunks and ask the question with the cited answers. If this helped, subscribe and drop what feature you want reviewed next. Security first, performance first, or style first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.